And my loving students, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all fine. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about prep class English learning, how we learn English lesson with syllabus. So let's start our video. Okay student, today our topic is he or she. My friends, do you know about he and she? I will tell you. He used for boy, she used for girl. For example, he is a boy, she is a girl. ERO bro, TH the ERR brother, FA for TH the ERR father, GR girl AND and grand, FA for TH the ERR father grandfather, SIS sis TER sister, MOMO TH the ERR mother, GR girl AND and grand, MOMO TH the ERR mother grandmother, TH the IS is this, ये IS is है, LI Ali, this is Ali, ये Ali है, HE ही, वो IS is है, एक BA OY boy, वो एक लड़का है, TH the IS is this, this is F TIT MA Fatima, this is Fatima, ये फातिमा है, SHE she, IS is she is a GIRL girl, she is a girl, वो एक लड़की है, TH the IS is this is AHF MAD Ahmad, this is Ahmad, ये अहमद है, HE he, IS is he is a TEAT CHERR teacher, he is a teacher, वो एक उस्ताद है, TH the IS is this is URVA उर्वा, this is उर्वा, वो ये उर्वा है, SHE she, IS is she is a DOC doctor, she is a doctor, वो एक डॉक्टर है. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like my video, so please subscribe our YouTube channel, like and share my video. Okay students, Allah Hafiz.